So before you watch this video, I really want to request you to watch this video first from the Piximperfect channel, which is a very big and popular channel. And this is a response video to this video, Nano Banana vs Photoshop, a fair comparison. So let me show you the summary first of this video, what I'm going to show you, because this is going to be a very long video. So I'm going to show you about the opening title, his right and wrong, and why AI is a professional new superpower, and also onslaught machine is not a machine if you know how to play the game. Also, I'm showing on prompting, simple prompts is equal to simple result. Let's get advanced. On control, the myth of less control, integrating AI into a pro workflow. And also the big idea is not a replacement, it's a revolution, and it's 2025 and 2026 is at our door. So that's why I'm making this video, because very soon everything's going to be changed. And the final statement is the banana is ripe, so it's time to take AI seriously. So you still have time. And I hope he don't give me any copyright for making this video. So let me start the video first with this first example that he showed the dog in fence. So I also tried to make this image. As you can see, I downloaded an image from internet, the dog in a fence. So this is just an example that I'm showing you first. This is a very low quality image which I downloaded from the internet. So if you already watched this video, you know that it's going to remove the fence with the Gemini AI using the Nano Banana model, but it didn't work. But first, let me show you this image. Remove all the fences from this photo and keep the dog in same position. Don't change anything, just remove all the fence. So this is a proper prompt for use this type. So this is a proper prompt to use in this type of use cases. If you don't know how to create prompt, you have to ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. And this is the image. As you can see, it's really changed. Remove all the fences from the image and keep the light, shadow, everything same, just remove the fences. And now I tried the photo that I take a screenshot from this video and use the same prompt, and you can see it didn't work. So here's the catch here. In Gemini app, it actually didn't remember, sometimes it's glitch. It actually didn't remember what type of image that you upload. So you have to go to a new chat, because if you want to edit and upload an image again, it will mess up. But the first one is perfect, as you can see. So let me show you this example. I created this prompt with ChatGPT, so I'm going to show you later how to create this type of perfect prompt for this using this image. And I also tell it to don't just remove the fence, also change the background. So as you can see, this is the same dog in a different place. So maybe you will say that you just change the background. I just want the exact photo. So again, I'm going to go to a new chat and use the same photo and use the proper prompt this time. And here's the result. As you can see, this is in new chat. So every time you use Gemini, it has some limitation, and sometimes it's only up for the first image. So you have to upload the image again in a new chat and keep the prompt like this, not in a 3-word or 4-word. You will get wrong output every time. So remove the fence from the photo while keeping the original background intact. Do not alter or replace the background. This is a very important thing to train your AI. So, and this is the result that you get. So in his video, he showed that it takes you 20 to 15 minutes to make a video, and you can actually remove this fence. And this is the way to actually remove any type of thing in images using the Gemini AI in just seconds. And this is not the real HD version. This is the image option. Then I'm going to show you the real HD version. So let me just go to the full size image, and this is the actual image. Now if I zoom in, you can see it didn't lose any details in the photo, and also it's a screenshot. And now here comes the Photoshop. Now you already know you can also make this photo high quality in Photoshop in just 2 minutes if you're just an expert using Photoshop. You know, you can make this resolution higher and make this more detailed and higher quality. So this is not a video about only AI. This is a video about how you use AI to use that in Photoshop. So you give wrong prompt, you get wrong result. So this is a big channel and this is 2025 now. So if we're still using AI like this, it's not correct because AI is going to be changed everything soon. So you have to use it correctly. Now you can use Photoshop to also remove the watermark from there and you can edit it like this. So let me just show you another use cases about the tattoo removing image here. So this is a very difficult one because if you don't know how AI works, this is a very good example for how to use AI right now. Now at first I tried to find this photo but didn't find it, so I just download a random photo of this of exact the same person, the Lil Wayne, and I also gave the random wrong prompt, which is not correct way to use this right now. Remove the tattoos and it didn't work. So again, I take a screenshot from his video and use the actual photo in Nano Banana, and right now I'm using a very accurate prompt to use this on this photo on Gemini AI. In the end, I'm going to show you how to create this type of prompt. Now let me see Gemini AI or the Nano Banana can do this perfectly with removing all the tattoos from his face. Now the main part is here is you have to recognize and you also have to be creative because you're going to be a graphic. If you are a graphic designer, you have to know the placing center and also where is what you want to remove. So trained your AI and I just got all the name from and this is the result. And Nano Banana really can't remove the tattoos from this image. So what's wrong here? Now here's the fun part is when you're actually going to use AI and Photoshop, or you don't rely on AI model, you have to use lots of AI model and use the top AI model that are out there. Nano Banana is still the best, but sometimes for some use cases, GPT Image, Ideogram, and the Flux Context Pro is also the perfect to use. So this time I go to LM Arena. This time I used a simple prompt which would also make this ChatGPT, and look at this. GPT Image 1 with high fidelity really remove all the tattoos from his face. Not the next because maybe it's out of focus, but you can do this with Photoshop. But this also changed the color style. And this is the Gemini Nano Banana, which maybe Nano Banana doesn't work with this type of use case. So you also know that what type of AI you have to use. But also this is going to change the color style because this is the image and ChatGPT always give a yellow tint on your image. So again, I use the long prompt that I made with ChatGPT, and this time look at the Flux Context Pro. This remains the same quality, same color style, and remove all the tattoos from his face and also remove the diamond thingy from his tooth. But right now you just have to give the prompt to not remove his diamond thingy from his tooth. So you just have to provide that prompt again. So you just have to do it for yourself. I'm just showing you how actually AI is great now. So for difficult work, I really use sometimes Flux One Context Pro, and you can also use Nano Banana. Flux One Context Pro and Nano Banana are the best image editor out there. So if you are a Photoshop expert and you are a newcomer, you have to learn Photoshop right now for any type of work that you want. It can be a project, it can be a client work, but you have to tell the client that you're going to use AI and you can give him infinite result. And if you like that, then you can get to work. That's also easy. And these are all the free tools. Gemini is also free. Flux Context Pro is also free in this LM Arena. Also, I showed you how to use this Flux Context Pro for free unlimited time in this video, just for editing. Now, before you go apeshit in my video in comment box, let me tell you that this is not about that AI is going to replace Photoshop. No, AI can't replace Photoshop yet, but you can actually use AI for every use cases and can use perfectly if you know how to use the prompts and what model you want to use. So I just give the two simple example here, which is very easy. And the second one which is very difficult for AI. But if you know how AI works, you really can make it work. And once you know it, it will be very easy for you if you are a Photoshop expert. Only if you are a Photoshop expert. Remember, I am only making this video for Photoshop expert, and also if you're a beginner of expert. If you only use AI, maybe it's not going to work because everyone's going to use it, and who knows, already using it. There's going to be a very competition. But if you know AI and already using Photoshop and you know how to get it work, is going to be a game changer for you, because this is right now, this is the best time. Now here he's also showed a mocha style with Nano Banana, but there's a lot of other AI you can use, like Flux Context that I showed you, ideogram, which really give you a better quality of mockups. For the real products, I think you really should use Photoshop for this, because if you use Photoshop for every real product, sometimes it really changes it and your customer can get annoyed by this. But if the client is happy and he thinks it's right, then remember, customer is always right, even if the design is not good. So now let me show you how to make prompt like this. So I use ChatGPT here, like I upload the photo and says simply give all the tattoo name and all the tattoo style that he's in his face, and also if you know what's in his neck, give it also like give me all the tattoos name and style. So I'm just making a conversation with it. Like you don't have to be a prompt engineer also. Like I'm not an expert in prompt engineering. Like I'm also learning here. So you will also learn how to create the exact prompt when you're going to use this, when you're going to use a lot of AI model. Now it gave me a bunch of style and prompt here. So this time I really get this prompt from Google AI Studio. So ChatGPT didn't give me good prompt there, but if you know the prompt style and how to use it, it will be very easy for you. And again, I upload this photo and give it the same, like give me all the tattoo and the placing and where it is and what type of it is, and give me the name. So first I collect the data from it, then I tell it to make a prompt, and this give me the prompt here. So I go to ChatGPT again and give me the prompt here to in a single paragraph here. So I'm just showing you how to create the best prompt for your any type of work. So like this is not graphics design here, but I'm showing for you graphics design, so you can use it for any type of use case. So this is how you make prompt with AI, with Nano Banana, with GPT Image, with Flux Context Pro. But if you're also a Photoshop user and don't know how to use AI, now you have to figure it out. Now you have to figure it out of yourself, because I cannot show everything. Like there's a lot of easy way also, and this is not a advanced prompt. Like real experts are using more advanced prompt and getting the real result in seconds. Sometimes it's work for different use cases. The reason why I'm not showing all the things, because you have to figure it out yourself, because only people who know Photoshop and AI will use it. That's why I'm making this video, because I think he also had a good reason behind making this video, a fair conversation, which is actually not a fair conversation, but only he uses prompt like, which is totally wrong. But I think he uses the simple prompt, because if he showed the real thing, or I don't know if he actually don't know how to use AI model, this is not the way. But if he knows and he didn't share it, maybe because his channel is too big, and if he really give a positive vibe, maybe it will make some impact in graphic design area in near future. But who knows AI and Photoshop? They are already using AI, and they know that an average user who don't know AI but only using Photoshop, they're going to lose who's going to use Photoshop and AI, even he is a newcomer. So maybe this is the good reason he didn't show the actual power of AI, like Nano Banana versus Photoshop, a fair conversation, which is not. But in the end, he also tells that everything has its place, but I think it will be soon. AI will take over in everything, because I'm just showing the simple way to do it, not making any harder or any advanced way to use this. Also, these are all free. Now imagine if I use any paid tool to making this type of editing. Now AI is only going to develop itself, and it is not the time to still using AI like this. Hope you will find this video as a criticism of this video, a fair criticism of this video, and hope he doesn't give me any copyright in my video. Oh, so if you're still watching this video, thanks for watching this, and you have to figure it out for yourself because I cannot show everything because it will be too easy for anyone, and non-Photoshop user who is only using AI, they will mess this up. But if you use Photoshop and also want to learn AI, now you know that AI is not what you think if you are a graphic designer. So you better learn it how to make prompt like this. If you're using all the model, you will learn. Like if I go to my channel, show you my channel, I only use AI to create thumbnails. Now if you go to my channels, if I tell you that all the thumbnails that I create are all made by AI, and it only take me 5 minutes or 6 minutes to create this type of thumbnail for my channel. And if you see, my channel is very small, but my view ratio is getting bigger and bigger by performance from the bigger channel who also make tutorial only because of the thumbnail and learn how I want to use AI. So if you like this kind of AI videos, you can subscribe to my channel. You have to accept the reality. AI is a part of our reality now. If you don't also use AI right now for only your work, you will get behind. So this is the video. Hope you found this very helpful. I usually don't make this type of video, but I only make this because it's the right time to make this video, because if you are in 2005, 2025 and 2026 is coming and it's still you have a mind like that AI is not good anymore, no, is this not real? AI is only getting better and better every day. If I have to tell you how much I learn about AI, I would say that if it's 100%, I am already in 0.001%. So yeah, that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, hope you didn't give me copyright, and if you also learn and give any opinion about this video, you can leave the comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.